To access translation of the agenda,
Para accesar la traducción de la agenda,
click the top of the web page.
haga clic en la parte superior de la página usando la web,
Using the word English for translation,
usando el icono, bueno, la palabra inglés para traducción
into multiple languages.
y en múltiples lenguajes.
Meeting interpretation services
La Junta de Servicios de Interpretación
are available via Zoom
están disponibles por vía Zoom,
by clicking on the globe icon
haciéndole clic en el icono del globo
at the bottom of the screen.
en la parte inferior de la pantalla.
I would like to call this meeting to order. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We recognize that we are presently on the lands of the Chochenyo, Muwekma, Harkin, Ohlone peoples and acknowledge them as the first inhabitants of the land we currently occupy. Dr. Hurst, can I have the roll call, please?
Absolutely. President Phillips,
Here.
Trustee Clerk Smith Folds,
Good afternoon, everyone here.
Trustee Reckler,
Good evening to everyone. I'm present.
Trustee Gonzalez Hoy,
Present.
Trustee Christian.
Good evening, President.
All is present and accounted for.
Thank you very much, sir. I would like to welcome everyone to this regular meeting of the Board of Education. The mission of the West Contra Costa Unified School District is to prepare students for post-secondary education and to be responsible, thinking, contributing members of our global society. We believe in public education as the most important function in a democratic society. We believe we must treat everyone with courtesy, dignity, and respect, provide safe and nurturing environments in which to learn, teach, work, and participate. Serve our students while working as partners with our community to develop well-rounded, lifelong learners and contributing members of a global society. Take responsibility for our behavior and performance to ensure the highest possible achievement of all students, employees, and our school community. Provide equitable and essential communication and support for successful learning, teaching, working, and participating. Respect, celebrate, and welcome the diversity, uniqueness, and contributions of all members of our school community. The board member should not subordinate the education of children and youth to any partisan principle, group interest, or the member's own personal interest. This meeting will provide public comment opportunities on agenda and non-agenda items through the Zoom app or by telephone. We have changed the public comment format, which will now occur at the beginning of the meeting. Public comment will last for 1 hour. and includes any agendized item. The time allotted for each speaker has also been extended to 2 minutes. To indicate your desire to speak on an agenda item, raise your hand by clicking on the appropriate icon in the Zoom app or by pressing *9 if accessing the meeting by phone. In order to be recognized to speak, your hand must be raised before public comment begins. Due to the Brown Act, board members cannot discuss items that are not on the agenda and do not usually respond to items presented in public comment. This evening, we have 5 items on the agenda for closed session. If anyone would like to comment on any of these items, which are conference with legal counsel regarding anticipated litigation, conference with labor negotiators, public employee appointment, public employee discipline, dismissal, release, complaint, and public employee performance evaluation. Anyone would like to comment on any of those items, please raise your hand now and we will call on you. Do we have any public comment, staff, for any of these items?
No public comment at the time.
Okay, thank you so much. We are going to recess into closed session and we will be back out at 6:30. Thank you.